Today we will show you the ANENG Smart Induction Voltage Tester. The backlight screen turns on immediately upon powering up. Cross and straight double-ended chisel heads. Let the tools adapt on demand. Adjustable drill bit, adjustable length as needed, flexibly addressing varying depth requirements. The ratchet turns to the left, left fixed, commonly used for screwing screws. The ratchet is centered, fixed centering. Can be used to secure screws. The ratchet turns to the right, fixed on the right side, commonly used for tightening screws. The microwave suddenly stopped working. A regular screwdriver needs to be loosened after one turn. With this, no need to adjust the angle back and forth. You can quickly tighten screws without repeatedly changing hands. Effortless and efficient. Check if the socket has power. The test indicates that the socket is live, most likely a fuse failure. First, turn off the power and unscrew the bolts. After removing the protective casing, check the fuse. No sound means it's broken. Look, it's broken in the middle. Replace it with a new one. You can use it now. Press and hold the touch point. Can identify live and neutral wires. Zero line lights up green screen. The red screen lights up with a red glow, accompanied by a beeping sound. Release the button. The numerical value can be maintained. Press and hold the touch point. It can also detect the continuity of wires. The one that works will have a beeping sound. This one is unresponsive. There is a breakpoint in the middle, touching the extreme. Can sense. Which one is the live wire? Which one is the neutral wire? Test this wire. No response. Identify the live wire in the circuit breaker. Turn off the power. Connect this wire to the live terminal port. Tighten the screw. You can locate the position of the circuit interruption point. The buzzing sound stopped. The location of the breakpoint has been identified. It uses a 14,500 rechargeable battery. There's a Type-C port here. You can charge it with the charger. You can bring an extra battery when working outside. The electrician's tester is out of battery, can be quickly replaced. There are two colors, black and red, available for your selection. No operation for approximately 5 minutes. The instrument automatically shuts down. Energy saving and word-free.